Anglais or American ball they can say smoking hammock.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, so today we will have the reading test from the British Council. We have the, can you read it please?
Listening, reading, writing and speaking.
So before we start the exercise, you have to read it all and scan about the name, scan about the number, scan about sometimes the letters, so you have to scan. And then skimming you should remember the main idea of the reading. A manager or leader of a group or department. B. Connected to promoting or advertising a product. C. Connected to teaching, training or schools. D. Happening in more than one country. E. Connected to exchanging information by telephone, television, radio, the internet, etc. F. Someone who visits people to sell them products or services. First name. នេះជាភាសាខ្មែរបើសិននិយាយថា first name គឺឈ្មោះដំបូងអញ្ចឹងឈ្មោះយើង first name គឺជាឈ្មោះរបស់យើងអញ្ចឹងជាឈ្មោះដំបូងរបស់យើងគឺឈ្មោះសកលមិនមែនឈ្មោះប្រាក់ទេយល់ទេខ្ញុំ What is your name? My name is សកល so សកល is my first name. ប្រាក់ is the last name. ប៉ុន្តែយើងសរសេរខ្មែររបៀបនៃការសរសេរឈ្មោះជាភាសាខ្មែរយើងគេដាក់នាមតកូលខាងណាខាងមុខអញ្ចឹងនាមតកូលគឺដាក់ខាងមុខអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រាក់សកលអញ្ចឹងយើងដាក់នាមតកូលនៅខាងមុខប៉ុន្តែឈ្មោះយើងគឺសរសេរនៅខាងក្រោយផ្ទុយពីបរទេសឧទាហរណ៍ថាអង់គ្លេសអាមេរិកអីគេសរសេរឈ្មោះគេខាងមុខឧទាហរណ៍ឈ្មោះគេសកលអញ្ចឹងហ៎គេសរសេរសកលប្រាក់តែវិញគេសរសេរសកលប្រាក់នេះបើសិនជាអង់គ្លេសឬអាមេរិកបរទេសគេសរសេរឈ្មោះគេខាងមុខដោយសារតែគេចង់ដាក់ឈ្មោះគេនៅខាងមុខនាមតកូលឈ្មោះឪពុកឈ្មោះម្ដាយឬឈ្មោះយាយតាជានាមតកូលគេដាក់ខាងក្រោយអញ្ចឹងវាអត់ដូចខ្មែរយើងទេខ្មែរយើងដាក់នាមតកូលខាងមុខប៉ុន្តែបើនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសនាមតកូលនេះគឺជាឈ្មោះក្រោយទេយល់ទេឈ្មោះសំខាន់របស់យើងគឺនាមខ្លួន So what is your name?
My name is Sakol.
What is your last name?
My last name is
What is your first name? Sakol. So Sakol is the first name. See, what is this?
Telecommunication.
Telecommunication. So, yeah, very good. Telecommunication. And this is
Technology.
technology. Okay, very good.
Vanida. Polista. 53. Bella Vista. Sao Paulo. 01311 91.
Now let's check like vocabulary and definition. So, can you read it? Education. C, you choose C. So, education is
Connected to teaching, training or school.
training or school. So, we don't know it is correct or not, but just read it again. Now, number 2, head letter A. List.
A manager or leader of a group or department.
Okay, so number 3,
Marketing. B. connected to promoting or advertising a product.
Okay, good. I don't know it is correct or not, so continue.
For international D. Happening in more than one country.
International, so happening in more than one country. Okay, very good.
5. Telecommunications E. Connected to exchanging information by telephone, television, radio, the internet, etc.
Okay, so this is the word telecommunication. Telecommunication is
Connected to exchanging information by telephone, television, radio, the internet, etc.
yes. So it means telecommunication is connected to exchange information. It means that we communicate with each other by communication by telephone, television, radio. So this is telecommunication. Okay, the last one.
6. A cell
Representative. Again, a cell representative. Again, please.
A cell representative.
Okay, very good. Letter
F.
F. Read it,
Someone
please.
who visit people to sell them products or services.
Okay, very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So the total answer is 19 among 20. Okay, congratulations. Very good. Well done.